How to add payment gateways in Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment gateways in your Shopify store so you can start accepting payments smoothly. Whether you're just getting started or optimizing your store, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Now, most of us already know that Shopify is one of the most powerful and user-friendly platforms out there for running an e-commerce business. It offers tons of features that make selling online a breeze. But when it comes to setting up payment gateways, many people find it a bit confusing or overwhelming at first. The good news is, it doesn't have to be complicated. Shopify actually offers its own built-in payment solution called Shopify Payments, which is one of the easiest ways to start accepting credit cards and other forms of payment on your store. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up Shopify payments and other payment gateways step by step. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your stores. Go ahead and select the store you want to work with. Now, it's important to note that the types of payment gateways available to you will depend on your geographic location. For example, I'm working on a store that's based in Canada, so I have access to Shopify Payments as a default option. But if you're located in a region where Shopify Payments isn't supported, you'll still have access to a wide variety of third-party payment providers, which are also reliable and secure. Once you've selected your store, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Settings button. This will take you to the Settings dashboard, where you'll find all the important configurations for your store, including your payment setup. Once you're inside the Settings menu on the bottom left, go ahead and click on the Payments tab from the list on the left-hand side. This is where you'll manage all your store's payment gateway options. Now, once you're in the Payments section, Shopify will typically recommend Shopify Payments at the top if it's available in your region. It's Shopify's built-in payment processor and offers several benefits, such as competitive credit card rates, faster checkout experiences through Shop Pay, better payout tracking, and streamlined chargeback management. To activate Shopify Payments, click on the Complete Account Setup button. This will walk you through the process of submitting a few key details. You'll need to provide identity verification, which includes a government-issued photo ID, business verification, which may require documents like your business license or tax ID, banking information, so Shopify knows where to send your payouts, your store policies, such as refund, privacy, and terms of service, which help build customer trust. Two-factor authentication to enhance the security of your account. This information is essential to ensure compliance with financial regulations and to protect your business from fraud. Once you've completed all the required fields and submitted your documents, Shopify will begin the review process. After approval, your store will be ready to accept payments through Shopify Payments. Now, if Shopify Payments isn't available in your region, or if you prefer to use another method, you still have great alternatives. And you'll see the Alternative Payment Methods section. One of the most popular options listed here is PayPal. PayPal is globally trusted and widely used, making it a great backup or even primary option for many merchants. Shopify often pre-installs PayPal Express Checkout, so all you need to do is log in and link your PayPal business account. To integrate PayPal as a payment method, simply scroll down to the PayPal section within your payment settings and click on the Activate PayPal button. This will prompt Shopify to open PayPal in a new tab. Once PayPal opens, you'll be asked to go through a quick security check. You'll need to complete a CAPTCHA to confirm that you're not a robot. Once logged in, follow the prompts to authorize Shopify to connect to your PayPal account. This is a straightforward process and will allow Shopify to process payments through PayPal. After this, you should see a message confirming that PayPal is now successfully integrated into your Shopify store and you're ready to accept PayPal payments. Now, Shopify Payments and PayPal are two of the primary methods for handling transactions, but Shopify also gives you the option to explore additional payment gateways. These can be an attractive choice for certain merchants because they may have fewer steps or different types of authentication. If you already have a POS system or have worked with specific payment providers in the past, you might want to continue using them instead of Shopify Payments or PayPal. In such cases, Shopify makes it easy to integrate alternative payment methods. Click on Add Payment Method. From here, you can either search for a specific payment method or look up the payment provider you've previously partnered with. If you already have an account with a certain provider, all you need to do is select them from the list. After that, Shopify will prompt you to log in to your provider account and link it to your Shopify store. This allows you to start accepting payments through that provider. For example, let's say you want to add Klarna as a payment method. In the search bar, type Klarna, and Shopify will show a list of payment providers that support Klarna. You'll be able to select the provider that works best for you. Once selected, you'll see options for other providers that can integrate with Klarna, such as Pingpong, AsiaBill, Airx, and Checkout.com. All these options typically charge a 2% transactional fee, so you'll want to choose the one that suits your needs, whether that's based on cost or familiarity with the provider. The beauty of Shopify is that you can keep using the payment systems you already trust without the need to create new accounts. It's all about making the payment process as smooth and convenient as possible for both you and your customers. If we head back to our payments section in Shopify, you'll notice that there's an option for automatic payment checkout. This means that when customers reach the checkout in your store, their payment will be automatically captured. This is the default and recommended option, as it streamlines the payment process. However, if you prefer to manually capture payments, you can choose the manual payment method, although this is generally not recommended for most store owners due to the extra steps involved in processing payments. Now, for those of you who prefer or need to offer more customized payment options, Shopify allows you to integrate manual payment methods. These methods give you more control over the payment process and can be useful if you operate in regions where traditional payment methods aren't ideal, or if you want to offer a more personalized experience for your customers. One popular option is to set up custom payment methods, such as mobile wire transfers. Many countries and regions have specific mobile payment systems, which are widely used but not always supported by traditional gateways. Shopify allows you to integrate these localized mobile payment systems so you can cater to a global audience. In addition to custom methods, Shopify offers other manual payment options, including bank deposits, money orders, cash on delivery, COD, account bank deposits, Payeer, a popular payment system in certain countries. For example, if you want to enable cash on delivery, COD, as a payment method, you can activate or deactivate it from this menu as you prefer. This allows your customers to pay for their products when they are delivered, which can be a great option if you're targeting regions where online payment methods aren't commonly used. Shopify's built-in payment system, Shopify Payments, is simple to use and works seamlessly in most regions. It's a feature-rich tool that provides a reliable and efficient payment solution for your store. Of course, if you're looking for a more competitive rate, or if you feel another checkout provider suits your business better, Shopify allows you to easily integrate alternative payment systems. The choice ultimately comes down to your preferences and how you want to run your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this video or anything else related to Shopify or other platforms, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear any suggestions or improvements you think would make future videos even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to create videos based on your ideas. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our other videos, and if you think any of these videos could help someone else, make sure to share them with your friends and family. If you think there's something missing, or if you'd like more specific content, just let me know, and I'll work on bringing more accurate and useful videos tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.